Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling components and placing the dispenser where bottles will be filled. You need a steady XB drop source and a hopper line feeding bottles into the dispenser. This ensures continuous refill. Once done, wire a simple redstone clock or comparator timer to the dispenser so it pulses at 1-2-second intervals. You do this because steady timing matches XB orb generation and prevents wasted bottles. Make sure the hopper alignment feeds bottles reliably into the dispenser before moving to the next construction step. Now you connect the XB collection to the bottle filling mechanism, aligning the XB orb spawn or drop to where bottles will be used. You set up a water stream or collection point so dispensed bottles pick up XB orbs. This increases success rate. Once aligned, synchronize the dispenser pulses with mob kill cycles or XB orb release so bottles capture orbs efficiently. You also add an overflow chest and a hopper filter to prevent jams. This keeps the system running without manual intervention and explains why timing matters. Finish by running a full test and watching bottle fill rate and storage flow. You should monitor for missed fills, jams, or bottles dropping without XB. These indicate timing or alignment issues. If bottles fail to capture XB, adjust the redstone clock by small increments and reposition the dispenser or XB source so orbs intersect the bottled area. Once stable, secure the layout and add redundant hoppers for reliability. If problems persist, check filters, unclog hoppers, and make sure the dispenser faces the correct collection stream.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.